Hi Loazi. We are on your spelling list for week 4. You've got 40 words in your spelling list this week, and the sounds that we are paying attention to is the blend of the letter T and the letter H together when they make a hard sound. Th, like in the word think. And then we are also looking at the blend of the letter W and the letter H when they blend to make a sound together. The WH blend can make a sound that emphasizes the W, which is W, like in when. It can also make a sound where it emphasizes the H sound, like in the word who. Who are you? So let's go look at your spelling list. I will read through each word once. I will break down the sounds in each word, and I will spell each word once. And if we have time, then I'll do some repeats. Let's go check it out. Okie dokes. So these are your spelling words. We are looking at the TH blend when it makes a hard sound. Th. We are also looking at the WH blend when it emphasizes the H sound, like in the word whose and in the word who. We are also looking at the WH blend where it emphasizes the W sound, like in wheat, whisper, wheel. Okay, so let's do the read through of each word. 3, throw, think, third, thirsty, throat, Thursday, thief, 30, thunder, theme, bath, month, thumb, thorn, earth, both, things, tooth, thin. WH, where the emphasis is on the H sound. Whose, who. WH, when the emphasis is on the W sound. Wheat, whisper, wheel, whale, white, whistle, witch, why, whisk, when,